Feels like a decent catfish. I think we found some catfish, Mer. I think we found some catfish. It's a good eater. That is a good eater kitty fish. That's, oh, you got all caught in my crap in the back of the boat. You're going in the bucket, buddy. Sorry about you, but thanks for playing. Keep that rod bent. Just get him. Get him, honey. Ooh, decent fish, huh? Do you want a net since you got the ultralight? Can you tell me? How big is it?
That's about the same size.
You can give him a quick flip. Oh, a little smaller. It's ultralight with mono, so when you get one, give him the freaking beans when you go set the hook. Tiny hook. It's probably on. Say it's fighting like a kitty. Oh, ooh, that's bigger than mine. Easy. Crepes. Uh-oh.
Got hooked?
Uh-oh, Mer. But Mer with the eater. Atta girl. You're awesome. This is not a bad one. Yeah, another little channel kitty. My rod was getting, did you see it or not? Yeah. I could see it, like I saw it, the line moving right next to me. Oh yeah, another good eater. Let's go. Yeah, we'll do some surgery on him. He'll be all right. What do you think, Rooney? You like catfish, Rooney? Rooney likes catfish. Burp, 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 burp. And this is all we're using, just chunks of worm, slide and sinker Carolina rig. I mean, we're fishing, we're sitting, the boat's sitting right now in about 3 foot of water. We're casting into like 5-ish, right next to a big brush pile. So probably not gonna find a ton of giants, but definitely a lot of fish active, a lot of fish eating. Cut bait's getting hit, worms are getting hit very actively. Stay tuned. Yeah. This one got hit. We had checked the cut bait. All right, we're gonna put a circle hook on this so the fish can just take it and eat it and set the hook themselves like they're supposed to. Dang it. All right. Mer just got hit. Everybody calm down. Mer just got hit. Oh, I saw it again. Give it to him. Go, she got him. She got him. She got him, guys. Talk to me. Talk to me. It's a giant. Oh, get the gaff. Get the gaff. Get it. Go get him, honey. Oh, it's a little feedler. Got it. Got it. You might need to. Circle hook did what it was supposed to do, though. Good catfish. Good catfish. Yeah, I can do it myself. Ooh, ooh. It's a good thing we're in 3 feet of water.
Take front. Front. Stay.
Easy, come on. Oh, oh, it's a pike. It's a pike. Pike, 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 pike.
I'm standing on this. Don't shift your weight.
Pike, 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 pike. Good pike, good pike. Oh, that's a good pike on cut bait. Hold on, no, but look at that. Because I had a circle hook, got him right in the corner of the mouth.
Got dinged up good.
Yeah, he's got a good ding on him. Honey, this is a good pike. Easy, buddy, easy. I don't want to hurt you now. Oh, now he got the hook in his mouth. There you go. That is a good pike.
Run.
Oh, look at that. Slimy green weenie. He's honestly kind of keeper size. Although he's kind of dinged up.
He's pretty well dinged up.
He's got that big, yeah, he's got a giant gash on him. We'll put him on the tape quick and let him go. 29 and a half, almost 30. We'll call him a 30. 30-inch pike on cut bait catfishing. I'll freaking take it. Mississippi River northern pike going back. God, that's a good one. On the cut bait too. Oh, there he goes. That smells like pike slime and catfish slime. Let's go. That was awesome. Whoa. That's not a bad one. It's not a giant. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, it's a small one. Oh, now it's kicking. Oh, it's a drumfish. It's a drum. It's, ooh.
Don't got your cut bait.
Had my cut bait. Oh well. Oh well. What do you do? That was a dinky drum. He'd have been a good eater. We got us another kitty fish. Oh, I got in this line. Got it out. Easy. Easy. This is a decent one.
Net?
Nah, I'll...
Tank front.
Ooh.
Tank front. Front.
I'll net it. Just because I got a small hook. Oh, that's the biggest one yet.
Oh, your fish is gonna go wet.
No, it's not. That's another good eater. Another good eater kitty fish. Been doing pretty, ugh. Well, we've been doing pretty good on the eater catfish. We're gonna have ourselves a heck of a catfish fry later. But I think we're gonna give it a couple more minutes. Maybe throw on a couple crankbaits, find some, I don't know, fishy looking water and see if we can catch ourselves a couple walleyes. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Or whenever we get another fish in the bucket. Oh, Merce hooked up and doing a good one on the ultralight. What do you think, honey? What are you thinking?
I don't know, he's not a head shaker.
Ooh. In the back waters of Mississippi, listening to Ace Hood. Catching catfish. I'll get the net ready at least.
Drum, maybe?
No, don't say that.
Ooh.
Don't say drum.
It's not a cat.
Oh crap! Yeah, we were about to double here. You don't think it's a cat?
No, it's not like.
You can feel him
I
roll.
haven't had head shakes, though.
You haven't feel him roll.
I'm getting closer.
I'm gonna get to the back of the boat because that's probably where it's gonna come up first. That was a big boil. Big boil. Big boil. What do we got? What do we got? Just look at that rod. Dude, that's why I love doing this with the ultralights in the shallow water. It's going upstream on you. That's kind of carpy. I think it's about to come up.
Yeah.
Oh, drum? Big drum?
Big drum.
Big
Yeah.
drum. Good drum. Good drum. Good drum.
Trying to get caught in the anchor rope.
No, this will be all right. If you can lift it up once, I'll get him. As soon as I can see him, I'll net him. Oh, missed him. And I'm caught in you. Oh, I got him. No, I got him. I netted him. I thought I missed him. I thought I missed him bigger than heck. I smoked him.
It's a big one.
That's a good drum. Yeah, this pole was getting absolutely hammered at one point while you were reeling that fish in, and I missed it, but all right, time to go walleye fishing. You can tighten your drag a little bit if you need to. And it's you take your finger and turn it towards you. Okay.
I don't know if it's
Mers on.
fish or if it's...
No, it's a fish. Pretty sure the guys behind us just caught one too. Put mine in the rod holder. Yeah, you're on.
You gotta keep maybe. Oh,
You're good.
I know, I just fixed it.
I don't know if that one's a keeper. He might be a little... Oh, that one might be just a little small, honey. I don't know if he's gonna go quite 15. No, I want you to get back out there. Cause mine's not trolling worth a crap. Oh.
On the money.
Oh, he's over 15. He is over 15 and he is going in the bucket with all the catfish. Mer's cooking brats. Ty's hooked up. At first it was very drummy. Oh, now it's kind of rolling like a kitty. Whatever it is, it's a good fish. I'll net it myself. Just watch your feet. I'm lifting that up. Lifting that up. Oh no, 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 no! I just went loose on him. I just went loose on him. Ah, it's around this rod. All right, we're good. Whew. Oh, I was gonna net him. Thanks, honey. You're quite the gal. Train coming in. I don't remember what I put on for a hook. I don't know how strong it is. Say it kind of rolled like a catfish, but at first it felt like a drum. That's a catfish. That's a good catfish. Good channel cat. Good channel cat.
Not the ideal net job.
You got him. Thanks, honey. Oh, that's a good kitty. That's a good kitty. On the night crawlers. That is a good one for the bucket. Blink.
Run.
Woo!